If you need heavy-duty wall hanging hooks, I love this style and I'm thrilled that GLUIT sent me theirs for a review. Now I use these hooks on my window every year for our wreath as they always come off cleanly, but they hold so well. These are extremely durable, they're gonna stay on, and they're waterproof, so you can use these indoors or out. Here's what you get when you open up the box. I love this cute sticker. It does come with 2 alcohol pads. The main thing is you just want to really clean whatever surface you're sticking these onto. And then these are the hooks themselves. They're a really nice size, but they have a good solid hook on them. And the adhesive is already on them. You just have to peel off the sticker. And they're going to be quite transparent as well once you install them. Now I'm going to put these to the test on 100-year-old cement walls. We will see how well they hold up. So peel it off, stick it on, and you really want to give these 24 hours before you hang anything on them, as they will be far more permanent if you do. Works beautifully right now. One last thing I want to point out is that while I don't really care how things look in my garage, I love how much these blend in. When nothing's on them, I don't really notice the hook at all, but when I need it, it's right there. Great, functional, heavy-duty hooks.